Hi guys! Welcome to our YouTube channel. Ngayong araw ay tuturuan ko kayo kung paano kumuha ng PSA Electronic Death Certificate. Ang PSA e-certificate ay isang secured, viewable online, digitally signed PDF version of your civil registry documents such as your birth certificate, marriage certificate, or death certificate, as well as your SENOMAR or SENODEF. Ngayon, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano kumuha ng e-certificate ng death. Pumunta lamang sa PSA site at i-click ang e-certificate. After nun, i-choose nyo yung certificate type. Dito sa video na to, death certificate po. Ito po ay nagkakahalaga ng 290 pesos. Next, pipiliin nyo kung para kanino yung death certificate nyo. Example, sa mother ninyo. Next po, hihingin yung personal details ng mother nyo. Yung name, tapos yung date of death, tapos kung saan siya namatay. Kailangan nyo din pong i-input yung details ng parents niya. After po nun, hihingin yung details ninyo kung sino yung nagre-request ng death certificate. After nun, itatanong yung purpose. Pwedeng passport or travel, school requirement, local employment, foreign employment, late registration, marriage, claims, benefits or loans, and others. After po nun, i-review nyo na po yung details na in-input ninyo. Kung okay na po, pwede na pong magbayad. Ito po yung online options nila. Pwedeng through credit card, GCash, PayMaya. Pwede din pong over-the-counter payments like 7-Eleven and Palawan Pawn Shop. Ang other options naman po is through BankNet and DragonPay. At dyan na po nagtatapos ang ating video. Sana po ay may natutunan kayo at nasagot namin ang inyong mga katanungan. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Maraming salamat po!